Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to claim a $100 Temu promo code for existing users in 2025. We'll use savvy Google search tips and explore trusted sources where returning shoppers can find verified discounts. Start with targeted Google searches like Temu coupon existing user 2025, Temu promo code existing user $100, or Temu $100 off returning customer. Using relevant phrases helps filter out codes meant only for new signups. When browsing results, focus on forums, discount blogs, or trusted coupon sites that clearly indicate the code works for existing users. These are usually recent posts and have comments or verifications from other shoppers. Here are 5 reliable sources where returning Temu users have reported working $100 off codes. 1. Audioholics Forum recently shared that code ACI 789589 works for existing users. 2. Irfan View Forum, a community post offering a $100 off code similar to ACX 320117, confirmed for existing users. 3. EG4 Electronics Forum, shared code ATH903114 for existing Temu shoppers. 4. GLARK Blog offers strategies for existing users to get coupon codes via the app, email, and third-party platforms. 5. Simply Codes tracks verified codes with real-time success feedback, including a site-wide $200 off code that may also apply to returning users. When you access these sources, verify timestamps and look for user confirmations. If confirmed for existing users, copy the code, head to Temu, add items to your cart, and paste the code during checkout. Double check for any minimum order limits. $100 codes change fast. Bookmark your reliable sources and revisit before major sale events. You can also subscribe to forums or newsletters or enable alerts to stay ahead of new drops. And that's how existing Temu users can score $100 off with smart searching and trusted sources. If this guide helped, hit like and subscribe for more savvy shopping tips.